This is a 2004 Club Car Precedent, and we're going to replace the Mcor. I lifted up this mat and lift up that little plate. The Mcor's, you follow these wires, it's connected to these plugs. First, we need to unscrew the brake plate. I don't know what this is called, where the pedals are thing. Okay. So there's 4 screws that keep the stop and go pedal in place, and you need to loosen all of those up. This one's being really stubborn, but I can at least get to the Mcor now. That black box is the Mcor right there, and there are 2 screws in there. Now that I've got it loosened, I should be able to get in there and unscrew them. I'm going blind. Oh, 5/16, I can see it now, 5/16. I was able to get it loose and then just hand loosen it, so I was able to fit underneath. There's the Mcor. Just gonna pull these plugs out. That's what I bought off Amazon, the 10 LOL. Mcor. There's the old one. Here's the 10 LOL one. All right, I'm gonna now connect the Mcor back onto this, whatever plate it's called, and screw it back in. Unfortunately, that stubborn screw over there is making this a little more difficult for me. It is what it is. The Mcor is back in place and screwed in, so let's plug these back in. The reason I changed the Mcor was because when you'd press on the gas, you wouldn't hear the microchip or the solenoid engage. It felt like the car was completely dead. So that usually is the indicator that you need to replace the Mcor. And somehow that came undone. Okay, so that's in. Stubborn screw did not defeat us. Stubborn screw. So I need to get the key and find out if we fixed the problem. All right, I got the keys. This golf cart has unique keys. So these two keys only go to this cart, and no club car key could start this cart. All right, let's see if we fix the problem. It's not dying. We have officially fixed this cart completely. We did a motor rebuild using a brush plate and a brush kit. We replaced the controller. We also replaced the controller, which now you can't see. It's under there. Super fun, back in action. Another golf cart fixed. Let's get her back on the road.